It is not that I think you are lying. I believe you believe in what you are saying, but the fact of the matter is you are wrong. You claim the Jedi have sent you here to make a truce, and I am sure they told you thus, but they would never make a truce with the likes of me. You, young Padawan, are bait, bait that I purposely took. For you are not just their bait, but you are mine as well. I can sense him, the assassin lurking just outside my field of vision. Whether he can hear me matters not, for he will strike either way. But I can lure him into attacking at a time of my choosing. Come out, Jedi Assassin, or the Padawan dies. Very well, I do not go back on my word, nor do I lie.